Well, hello, welcome to Tablescapes by Candy, and thank you so much for clicking on my video. Today I am collaborating with my lovely sisters of the Home Decor Luxe Club. This is our spring and summer collaboration. Please go to and visit their channels. I've left links down in the description box. Now today I'm doing a little bit different video for you. As you can see, we're not looking at a tablescape. I thought it would be fun to just kind of take you on a mini tour of some of the rooms in my home and just show you what I've done to update the place for spring. So here we are in my bedroom. Now in this room, I basically, and really for most of my spring updates, pink is the color that I went with. So in this room, basically, I did a lot of updates, such as I replaced the carpeting. I did have a dark bluish gray rug in here. Now I left this wall, this accent wall, the blue-gray color, and I actually left the artwork there. But I did add some pops of pink with these pink pillows and some pink blankets and things like that. I updated my dresser over there in the corner, and we'll look at that here shortly. But as far as the bedding, didn't spend a lot of money, but I did go to the at-home store, and I found this pretty little pink comforter set, and I changed out the sheets, and I like it. It really gives the room a pop. And then I added these pink blankets as well. Now on this side of the room, basically for my dresser, now this dresser was a DIY dresser. I bought it used, repainted it, replaced all the knobs and handles and all that, and I just added this beautiful pink and white runner that I found I believe I found it at Ross, and you'll see over there on the dresser that I have lots of DIYs and things that I've made on my other channel. Now just again glancing around the room, that vase there is a DIY. The florals in the back, the tall green florals, are a DIY I did on one of my channels. And again, I like to make things and I like to save some money. So the mirrors that you see on the wall, as well as the drapes or the curtains, they came from Walmart. I didn't spend a lot of money. Just taking a closer look here at the stand, I got that little rosebud vase at Walmart, and then the larger one in the back is a DIY. I think I picked up this candle at Ross, and again, didn't spend tons of money, but I really like how it turned out. Now we're just going to take a look at another angle here. Also, I even updated my books, my Bible rather, and my study guide. I put my pink Bible and my pink study guide out, and for my study time. And these pink florals here, I believe I got them from Marshall's. So, that's it, guys. As you can see, lots of pink. Pink and white is the theme. Pink, white, and gold. You'll see that repeated throughout the home and or throughout the rooms that I'll show you today. And overall, I really like how everything turned out. All right, so now I'm going to just take you on a quick little tour of my hall bathroom. Now, this bathroom was a complete wreck. To tell you, when I purchased this home, it had been abandoned for several years. It was a complete fixer-upper. I did all the work myself. I mean, there were holes in the drywall. It was just basically gutted. The plumbing was gone, everything. And it was a project that I took on, and I did most of the work myself. And in fact, that's how I started this channel. So if you ever go to DIY Design by CCW, well, in fact, I'll link a video down in the description box, and it's called All the Before. So you can see what this room looked like when I started and what all these rooms look like. But anyway, here in this bathroom, just did some minor updates. I mean, we use this bathroom even though it is a hall bathroom. This is an older house. It doesn't have a master bath, but I did update the mirror there. Another one of those little floral rosebuds that you saw. I think I got those from Walmart. Those containers up there are DIYs. And again, I just, updated the drapes, or rather the tiles. And I found this beautiful floral shower curtain on sale for $8 at Ross. So again, didn't spend a lot of money, but I kept with my theme. And that stand in the back is an update as well. All right, now let's see what I did in the living room. So the living room, really, some of these things had already been updated for winter or for the holidays, so rather for Christmas. So here what I did is just update the pillows. I had those white pillows there before, but I added the pink and the beige pillow that you see there. I added greenery all around to pull in, the feeling of spring, and, just kind of really wanted the place to, and of course gave it a good thorough spring cleaning. There you see I just kind of changed out some of the DIYs that I usually display on the TV stand. And again, to bring in more of the feeling of spring, I added some tulips, such as this little artificial tulip plant that I found. I think I found that at Home Goods. And again, I love blush pink. It's one of my favorite colors. And I just thought this year I would play with it and make it my accent or my main accent color. Here on the coffee table, which this coffee table was a thrifted coffee table that I spray painted and made over. And you'll see that I do that a lot in my home. The curtains there in the back on the door, I bought them at Walmart and then altered them for the door. And again, you don't have to spend a lot of money, but if the little touches that make the home feel like home for you, that's what's important. Now, I'm not quite done with this room. I think I'm going to replace the mirror that's there in over the entry table. And I purchased some curtains for the window that I haven't put up yet. But this is what I've got so far. That little pillow in the basket there came from Home Goods, and I believe those tulips came from Burlington, and everything else over there is a DIY. Okay, so now we're gonna take a quick look at the dining room. And this is Tablescapes by Candy, so I guess I have to show you the dining room. Now, I didn't do a tablescape for this video. This is just how my table is set right now, but I thought I would show it to you anyway. So in this room, what I did is I touched up the paint, gave it a good cleaning. I changed out the picture there in the back. That's new. I had a big, heavy blue one that I just didn't like. It bothered me. It was too dark for the space, and I found that picture on sale actually at Home Goods. It was in the clearance section for about $40. So here's how I have my table set right now. Just going with the pink theme. I have my pink glasses, my pink rose plates, and again, I'm going with pink, white, and gold for this year. So that's how the table's set right now. Now, I'm also going to be doing a video on the kitchen, what I'll be doing in there and some other areas of the home. And I'll do an exterior video as well. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please go and visit the ladies. I've left links to their channels. And I hope you'll visit my other channels too. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.